Hi, I'm Jessica from Devolutions, and today I want to show you a new feature, which is multi-factor authentication with Microsoft SQL Azure data sources. Whew, that was a mouthful. We had some people from the community who were asking us for multi-factor authentication with SQL Azure data sources, and we listened, and I'm really happy today to show you how to set it up and how to add users. So let's jump right into it. So now we're going to create a new SQL Azure data source with MFA support. The first thing you need to do is click on the More button by Data Sources, the ellipsis button, and click Add. Now we choose Microsoft SQL Azure. First thing I'll do is give it a name. And then we need to get the host for the database. Okay, the third step is, the third option here is really important. For login mode, choose Active Directory Interactive with MFA support. Then for the username, I am entering a username that is found in Active Directory on Azure. Okay, the next step, Azure App Settings, will configure this. The first thing you need to do in the Azure Management Portal is create a new application registration. If you need help with that, here is a link to our online help that will give you information about how to go about that. But I've already done it, so let me just copy my application ID and redirect URI. And then I'll click OK. And finally, I need the database name. Then I'll click OK. So now we're all ready, we're set up. Now that we've finished setting up the data source, it's time to create users for RDM if you haven't already. So on the Administration tab, click Users. And I'll just show you the one important thing you need to keep in mind is when you're creating your user, for the authentication type, choose Office 365. And then the rest you'd fill in as normal. Okay, now in this one I'm already signed in, but I'm just going to close RDM and sign out so that I can show you just what the sign-in process looks like. Let's look at what it's like to connect to the Microsoft SQL Azure data source when you have MFA activated. You'll see here I'm being prompted for my password. This is the one, and then I click Sign In. And now I'm expecting to get something to my phone. Ah, there it is. My phone isn't recognizing my fingerprints. It's taking a bit longer than it should. I'll just approve it. And then if we look at my screen, it's let me into the data source. So that's how you configure multi-factor authentication with Microsoft SQL Azure data sources. If you need a little bit more help, don't hesitate to jump into our forums and we'll be happy to help you. Or you can consult the online help. Wow, I just said help a lot in one sentence. Okay, if you've enjoyed this video, we're always making more each week. Subscribe to YouTube or follow us on social media and you'll get alerts there. Again, thanks for watching.